Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys talkback full setting, how to use talkback in Infinix mobile. Friends, we want to use talkback in Infinix mobile, so how to use talkback one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Infinix mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, how to use talkback. Friends, open your Infinix mobile special function. After special function setting friends, you can use game mode, smart panel setting, gasho settings. Friends, click here last option, accessibility setting. After friends accessibility setting friends, you can see accessibility menu, shortcut setting, high translate settings, select to speak, switch hx setting, talkback and act share mini setting. So friends, click here talkback. And friends, you want to use talkback, so friends, and you don't know friends how to use talkback, so friends you can read from here this notification and you can use talkback. Friends, click here use talkback, allow. After allow friends, you can use talkback in your Infinix mobile with double tap. Friends, if you one tap, so you cannot use back button. Friends, double tap here you can use back button. Double tap. And friends, home button you want to use one tap, double tap, one tap, double tap. And friends, use your two finger you can close recent tab, one finger you cannot close, use your two finger. So like that friends, we can use talkback in Infinix mobile, and double tap here, recent tab you can check, use two finger you can close recent tab. So with one finger friends, you cannot use your Infinix mobile screen, use your two finger and you can use it. So a person who is blind, they use talkback with sound. Friends, you can see when I will click any app, file, so when they listen file sound, double click and they use talkback with two finger. Recent app, double tap, use two finger, close app. Friends, click your phone setting, double tap here, Wi-Fi setting, and then scroll it. And once you don't want to use talkback, you can turn off from your phone special function. Friends, click here special function setting, double tap setting, double tap, again scroll, accessibility setting, and friends double tap. Friends, again scroll, friends you can see talkback setting, one tap, double tap here, use talkback setting, double tap, stop talkback, double tap, talkback off. And friends, now you can use your Infinix mobile without talkback. So like that friends, we can use talkback full setting in Infinix mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use talkback full setting in Infinix mobile. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel.